Yes, this apartment costs $17 per month in Bangkok. It's not in the city center. It is close to, extremely close to Don Muang Airport. And I booked this one specifically because of that. It literally is 5 minutes. I just been to the airport because I just came from Ayutthaya, another city in north of Bangkok, and one of the stops was Don Muang Airport. So I got from the airport over here to the Airbnb, and it was literally 5 minutes by motorbike, so extremely close. But anyways, it's $17 a night. The place is amazing. I did not expect it to be that nice and extremely quiet. Guys, it doesn't feel like I'm in Thailand. Or at least it doesn't feel like I'm in Thailand. Sorry. Based on my experience, very noisy and so on. The only thing you might hear, you will hear here, it's the airplanes. In fact, even right now, an airplane is passing by. But anyways, if you have a flight that you need to catch uh, early the next morning, I think this place is amazing. It's really close, as I said, really peaceful, big room, and I'm gonna show you everything. Let's start from outside. Can you hear the plane? You can actually even see it. So that's what I was talking about. But from inside, it's not even that loud. Honestly, I think a plane is better than motorbikes all the time. So this is the area. It looks, and I think is extremely affluent. It looks amazing. Yeah. So this is the front entrance. This is the back. There's a swing here. It's the first time I see it also. Look, a banana tree. This one is... There are multiple ones, but they're very big and you can see them from the house. I don't know exactly what it is here, but... Oh, look, the tree, banana tree, amazing. I am so fascinated by those banana trees, really. Let's go inside, and I'm not gonna talk a lot while we are on the hallway, just in the kitchen, but that is because there might be other people in the other rooms. This is a shared space. I didn't see anybody, but who knows? And they might be sleeping. I don't want to bother them. So let's go. Now, if you do want the name of this place, and obviously the opportunity of not booking it through Airbnb and saving money, so save even more than what or like pay even less than what I did, let me know in the comments and I'll try to get it for you. I don't promise, but I try. So this is the front entrance. In the box A, that's where I had the key. Let me show you. This is the key. Okay. I wanted to say for some reason I have two keys, but one is from my apartment and the other one is from here, I guess. Okay, so this is the inside. As I said, I'm gonna try to be a little not as loud when talking. I don't want to bother anyone, maybe some people sleeping. Oh, in the rooms above, I have a beautiful cat here. looked okay before. I hope he's okay now too, because he was making that noise. Love cats, by the way. Now, this is... I'm not even sure, guys, if this is like a shared kitchen. Doesn't look like. Just got here, is nobody here. It looks like... Yeah, it looks like you're buying those things. This is... I didn't even have the chance to check out the place very well, because I said I'm gonna make this video for you guys. So now I think it's not a shared kitchen. Before I thought it is, but looks like more like a cafe kind of thing. But yeah, have a desk here. That's really nice, actually. I'm just thinking I'm gonna have a meeting later on, so I thought I don't have a proper desk in my room, but I'm gonna use these ones, especially if it's nobody. It's gonna be amazing. So we are going upstairs. My room, they say it's 3rd floor, but I think it's the 2nd one, if you consider this to be the ground floor. But let's go. Banana tree, banana tree. So, 1st floor I think was that one. This is 2nd one. But they said it's 3rd floor. So no smoking, guys. If you do smoke, I don't. Now, before I show you the room, I just want to say one thing about the lock. Look, I have this key, and I swear I unlocked the door. It was locked, but I cannot lock it. And it's the same, obviously, if I close it, I cannot lock it. I have no idea. I might just be stupid, but I really don't know how this works, so I think I'm gonna message the owner and ask, because if I'm leaving the place, then I want to be able to lock the door. Obviously on the inside you do this, but on the outside I have no idea. So big TV. It's not like I'm using the TV much, but you have aircon. Then boom, you have a balcony here. I'm gonna show you in a second how that looks. And then look, it's absolutely amazing, and it's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. It's insane. So as I said, I didn't check things out. There's some things here. It looks like it's personal. The personal things of someone. Let's see if there's something inside as well. No. So it seems like there's nothing inside, but yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna use any of these things over there. But yeah, that's what you have there. A statue. This is how it looks from this side. I didn't test it, the bed, but for me pretty much all the beds are comfortable. For me the main problem is the noise, and this one doesn't seem like you can oh, actually you can. So you cannot. Anyway, this is the view from the balcony. Let me see, let me go outside. Maybe I should have done all those things first before I show you. But I do everything for the first time, so this is how the area looks like. It's absolutely amazing. Honestly, it doesn't feel like you're in Thailand, and that's not. I don't say that as a bad thing. It's just Thailand, based on my experience in Pattaya, obviously, has a certain vibe, and this is nothing like that. This looks more like a, I don't know, like Scandinavian country, at least in my opinion. There's the banana tree, well, except for the banana tree. Scandinavian or European country, but the area looks amazing. The only problem I see right now is that, yeah, obviously there's no street food, but I don't think it'll be such an issue. If you're just staying for one night, guys, I think this place is amazing. Right. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, this is luxurious, in my opinion. We have a window here too. Maybe I say that is luxurious because I'm also a very simple guy. I don't need much. So regardless of how much money I make or I would make, I would still save and be mindful of my spending, just because, yeah, that's how I am. And this is the bathroom. Huge mirror here. Huge mirror. You have the shower, and you have this thing. This is for heating the water. I never use that in Thailand. Honestly, mine was always off. You don't need that. I usually take cold showers, but here you don't have cold water anyways. But I'm not using that thing to heat the water. But this is how it is. This is how it looks. Let me know what you think. And as I said, if you're interested about this place, I think this place is amazing. If you come to Don Muang Airport here in Bangkok, or if you're leaving from Bangkok from the Don Muang Airport, I think this place is absolutely amazing. And it's just 5 minutes, guys, from the airport. So let me know if you're interested about the place. Hopefully I'll be able to, I don't know, hopefully they have a website or another way to be contacted besides just the Airbnb. And then you'll pay even less than $17 a night, obviously. And this is the wardrobe. It's really big. That's my stuff there. So you have this, and you have another one. By the way, this wardrobe is like I did not know how to open it, to be honest, and was having a discussion with someone. I was commenting on someone's video, and they said that, oh yeah, but like they bet my apartment is not smart. And I said, well, my apartment is smart. If I switch on the lights, it knows that the lights has to be on, and if I switch them off, it knows that the lights have to be off. But guys, when the apartment is smarter than the person that lives in the apartment, like it was the case here for me, I didn't know how to open the wardrobe. Well, when that's happening, I think we have a problem. So I like regular, normal apartments. Maybe if I try a smart one, I would like that one more. But for now, I'm good. By the way, guys, this is my last day here in Thailand. I'm gonna leave tomorrow. So write in the comment section down below and guess where I'm going. Because it might not be something that you expect. I planned on going in Laos, but changed my mind when I realized that maybe the internet might not be good enough for me. And as you know, I work online, so the internet is very important for me. And maybe in the future I will go to Laos, but I have to plan ahead and be a little more organized. So I changed my plans. I was searching for a place to stay in Laos, but I changed my plans just a few days ago, and I already booked the flight. Already have an Airbnb over there. So tell me, where do you think I'm going?